Hello Sudoku friends, welcome today. Today on Thursday, January the 16th, 2020, we have only one Sudoku, a medium Sudoku, so let's get started. Okay, I see a lot of ones, so let's begin with the one. I have here a 1 in the third row, a 1 in the first row, so in the second row, the row between, there's only one place for the ones in this box. Then we have a 1 in the first column, a 1 in the second column. So in the third column, the only two places for a 1 is here or there, but I see here a 1, so no one there. 1 should be here. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only two places for a 1 is here or there, but I see here already a 1, so no one there. 1 should be here. 1 in the last row, 1 in the row above. So in this row, the only place for a 1 should be here. And all the ones are used, I can see. Yes, alright. Then, let me see. In this big square, one of the missing numbers is a 7. I see here a 7, so no 7 in these two boxes. I see here a 7, so no 7 in these two boxes. The only two places in this big square for a 7 should be here or there. So in this row, we have a 7 here. In the middle row, we have a 7 in one of these boxes. So in the row below, the only two places for a 7 is here or there. But I see here a 7, so no 7 there. 7 should be here. 7 in this column, 7 in the second column, so in the third column, the only place for a 7 should be here. Then, 3 missing numbers in this big square. The numbers are 4, 5, and 6. I see here 4 and a 6, so no 4 and a 6 in this box. So the 4 and the 6 should be here and there. It's a pair, 4 and a 6 and a 4 and a 6. This box is reserved for the 5. Okay, 5 in this column, 5 in that column. So in the middle, in the column between, the only two places for 5 is here or there. But I see here already a 5, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. 5 in the last column, 5 in the last row, 5 in the row above. So in this row, the only two places for 5 is here or there. But I see here already a 5, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. Then let me see. The 8 in the third column, the 8 in the second column. So in the first column, the only two places for an 8 is here or there. But I see here already an 8, so no 8 there. 8 should be here. Then in this big square, one of the missing number is an 8. I see here an 8, so no 8 in these two boxes. I see there an 8, so no 8 in these two boxes. One box remained for the 8, and this one. 8 in the last row, 8 in the row above. So in this row, the only place for the 8 should be here. Then, let me see. This big square, 3 missing numbers. The numbers are 2, 4, and 6. I see here a 2, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. 1 box remains for the 2 in this one. 4 and 6, 4 and 6. I see here a 4, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 in the last row, 2 in the row above. So in this row, the only 2 places for a 2 is here or there, but I see here already a 2, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. 1 box remains for this row for the number 6. Then two boxes left for this column for the numbers 4 and 9. I cannot fill this yet, need to wait 4 and 9. This row, 3 missing numbers. The numbers are 2, 3, and 4. I see here 4, so no 4 there. I see there 4, so no 4 there. Only place for the 4 should be here. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. I see here 2, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. And the 4 in this column, 4 in the last column. So in this column, the column between, the only place for 4 should be here. Then 6 in this column, 6 in that column. So in the middle column, the only 2 places for 6 is here or there. But I see here already a 6. No 6 there, 6 should be here. 3 missing numbers in the second row for the numbers 9, 7, and 3. 9, 7, and 3. I cannot fill this yet. 9, 7, and 3. I need to wait for more information. But the 6, I see here a 6. And I remember here we have a pair 4 and 6. Now we have a 6 there, so no 6 here. 6 should be there, and the 4 goes here. 4 in the first column, 4 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place for the 4 should be here. 1 box remains for this column for the number 9. 9 in this column, 9 in the third column. So in the second column, the column between, the only place for the 9 should be here. 1 box remains for this big square for the number 3. 1 box remains for the first column for the number 7. No, 7 I have here. This must be a 1, 2, 3, a 6. Yes, this should be a 6. Mistake. Apologies. 2 missing numbers of this big square for the numbers 6 and 2. Now we have a 6 there, so no 6 here, 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 missing numbers of this big square for the numbers 2 and 3. Now we have a 2 there, so no 2 here, 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this row for the numbers 3 and 5. We have a 3 here, so no 3 here, 3 should be there, and the 5 goes there. Then 2 missing numbers in the middle row for the numbers 9 and 7. We have a 9 here, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 missing number in the middle column for the number 7. Then 1 missing number in this row for the number 5. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. For the 9 is missing here. 2 missing numbers of this big square for the numbers 3 and 7. 3 and 7 I cannot fill this yet, but we have a 9 in this column, 9 in the column next. So in the last column the only 2 places for 9 is here or there, but I see here 9, so no 9 there. 9 should be here. 2 missing numbers in the second row for the numbers 9 and 3. Now we have a 9, so no 9 there. 9 should be there, and the 3 goes here. Then 1 missing number in the last column for the number 5. 5 in this column, 5 in that column, middle column. So in the column next, the only 2 places for 5 is here or there, but I see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. Then 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So in this column, the only 2 places for 4 is here or there, but I see here 4, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. 2 missing numbers of this big square for the numbers 2 and 8. I see here an 8, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 missing numbers in the first row for the numbers 2 and 7. We have a 2 here, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. The 7 goes there. 2 missing numbers of this big square for the number 7 and 3. We have a 7 there, so no 7 here. 7 should be there, and the 3 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square, the numbers 3 and 8. We have an 8 there, so no 8 here. 8 should be here, and the 3 goes there. So we finished this in 12 minutes. Alright, people, if you like it, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also subscribe if you want or if you like. Otherwise, download the PDF file so you can make it by yourself. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I will see you tomorrow on Friday. Bye bye.